how to download and install Rednote application on your mobile device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Rednote application on your device. So you might have heard that TikTok is getting banned in US, so there has already been the alternative application for the TikTok application, and that is Rednote. So if you are using Android, simply head over to your Play Store and search in the word Rednote like this, and you can see from the downloads it has 10 million downloads so far. And just click on the Rednote application, and from here simply click on install and wait for some time for it to be installed on your device, and wait for some time again, and once it get installed you are good to go to run the Rednote official application. So from here you can basically use it this application to stream or to add videos like you do on TikTok, or also to promote your services or products. So once it get installed, simply open it, and you have to click on agree, and you just have to click on allow the permission for it, for the application to run for the first time. And from here you can simply log in with your login credentials or by making your account like this. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.